What kind of piece of wood do you use to make that yoke?
Huh?
What did you make the top out of? Is it like a...
That?
Yeah.
That's black gum.
Ah.
Black gum. Let me see right here on what I...